Hi everyone. So as part of this call, we are going to discuss one of the AI use case where which company is generally utilizing to improve their productivity. So in this case, I'll take example of Microsoft support agent, how they are kind of improving their productivity by answering to the user query quickly. So pre-AI phase. So what all the agents who were supporting Microsoft customer, they had vast knowledge in form of some PDF, some Word document, or sometime in website and all. So a lot of text is there. So let's suppose as a customer, they are calling for the issue related to Xbox product, and the issue you can say like, okay, quality of sound is not good. Quality of sound is not good. So they will connect to Microsoft help desk either by call or chat. So let's suppose in this case, okay, they call customer care and they told, okay, hey, this is the issue I'm facing with my Xbox product. So what agent will do? It will take all the details and all, maybe login details and all, just the user ID, and then they have vast knowledge sitting at their end, which they will try to scan and see, okay, what is the solution for this. So the vast knowledge is something similar to this. So in this case, I have taken one small example, but it's a small PDF, but they can have a very big PDF and all, which they have to scan. So generally what they, okay, just wait for some time. Maybe they takes around, let's suppose 5 minutes or 2 minutes, let's suppose 2 to 5 minutes to scan through the document, and then they will give you the solution. So end to end, let's suppose it's taking around 5 to 10 minutes to assist one of the user query. Post AI phase, how it is getting is, okay, it's the same thing. Okay, for Xbox, let's suppose you are reaching out to agent, you are explaining about the issue, it is getting connected to agent, and then let's suppose you have reached out call similar to previous approach. So instead of agent scanning the vast knowledge, all the knowledge is already uh, put through the LLM. And instead of agent scanning all the document, they can something similar to this. Let's suppose it has this document. Agent will go and instead of scanning the document, they will just put the question to AI, because these are the documents which is only specific internal to company. It is not exposed in outside system and all. Just consider this scenario, and those document is passed to the LLM, and then LLM generate the answer, and this is what that agent will respond to the customer. So it's not like agent is scanning manually. Agent is putting that question in the AI system, and then AI generates the answer. That's what agent is. So in this case, that's why it took only 1 to 2 minutes. So overall time 4 to 5 minutes. So this is how companies. So now let's suppose to support the agent, if to support all the Microsoft customer who is calling from different area. Let's suppose it's needed to an agent, 20 agent. But now with this AI in place, since like one agent is resolving the query very quickly, they are doing in, let's suppose instead of 20 agent, they are having only 8 agent. So the delta whatever is there, it is something which company is saving or by improving the productivity utilizing AI. So now I'll go through the implementation of this. uh, Let me go. So yeah, so I'm using this, I'm importing all the required library, and then in this case I'm using no, Gemini. Oh, that is something from Google. API key I have stored in environment variable. So you can just go to Google AI Studio and you can create your own API key. So title of the page is like Xbox agent. So let me go to the page. So this is the Xbox agent, that is the title of the page. And then I'm giving one option and creating one option to upload a PDF. So label is upload a PDF, and so you can upload any sort of document. But in this case, I'm going with the PDF document. So this is like it's saying upload a document. So this is uploader file, set st.file uploader. So this section will get created where you can go and upload the PDF. So the moment you upload the PDF, it will go and get stored in one of the temporary location till that session is active. Okay. Now, once that, so okay, the moment let's suppose you go, you browse file, you upload this PDF, it gets stored in one temporary location, and then we are uploading this into Gemini, because now this LLM is you're going to whatever you ask, right? It is so it is getting stored in Gemini memory. So if you are going to ask any question, it is going to scan that particular document, and then it is going to answer. So here, let's suppose, so this upload, it's not something which happens immediately. Like if your PDF size is very small, it will happen immediately. But if PDF is huge, it's due in multiple process. So this is where I'm checking here, like, okay, what is the state of the file? If it is processing, I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Again, I'm checking the status. If it is still processing, so this while loop is going to run till that PDF is processed and it's in ready state. So the moment this while loop is completed, now it says like, okay, PDF is ready. So this is some. So let's suppose if I go upload here, then it's processing at this moment. And then once this processing is complete, it says PDF is ready. Now, another input box I'm getting is please input your question. So this is where you can go and input your question. And just like whatever question you input, I'm just highlighting that in bold color. And this is a prompt which we are going to give it to LLM. Like, okay, answer the question using the PDF provided. Don't utilize any outside knowledge and all. And if answer is not able to find in the document, you simply say it is not available and keep the answer short. You don't need to give very lengthy verbose answer and all. This is a model which I'm using here. It's the latest one. And this is how generate content is the function which we are going to call. So what we are passing the PDF file. We are passing the prompt in the sense what we want LLM to do. And then we are passing the question, whatever question. Question is nothing but it's coming as part of this chat input. Whatever you input, that is what goes. So to LLM, we are passing three things: PDF file, prompt, and question. And final response, I'm writing here. So let's see. So I'm my sound is not working. You can ask anything. It's not is not something. What shall I do? So you can ask like any form of question. It should not be exact question. Whatever we have document, it understand the question and then try to figure out what problem it can be. What is the age of driving in India? Yeah. So now let's suppose since I have instructed, right, like it just to use the answer. Just try to answer the question based on the PDF provided. Do not use any outside knowledge and all. So if you ask something which is not in the context, it will simply say like, hey, I'm sorry, but provide a manual for this doesn't contain information about legal driving age in India. So this is one very minimal, simple implementation of utilizing LLM, because now whatever you see, ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot or in any other LLM, it is trained on outside data, but in company we do have a lot of data which is specific to that particular company, which is not exposed outside and all. And as of today, people generally try to manually scan the PDF or any form document and then try to do whatever they wanted to do. So now in as of today, what I see from the implementation front is people are building their own sort of capability by passing the internal document, which is being utilized by internal team member to improve their productivity. So sometimes it can be okay, hey, tons of PDF is there, they want to summarize it. So maybe down the line, I'm going to cover all other scenario as well. But this approach is simple. So like, okay, whatever PDF we are having, we pass it to LLM, and then we ask the question and all. Though it's not a optimized way of designing the solution, because this is a PDF of only 16 pages. There can be scenario that PDF is of let's suppose 10 MB PDF is there, which is having 1,000 pages. So every time you pass 1,000, so how LLM charges money based on number of text? It's based on the number of tokens. So token is something similar to number of words. So if you pass more token to LLM, it will the charges will be more. So there are other way of implementing it maybe in future videos. So let's suppose in this question, right? I'm asking some question from this section, but what I'm doing, the moment I'm asking this question, I'm passing the entire PDF content. So if there is a way, okay, instead of passing the entire PDF content, if I can figure out, oh, the answer lies in this particular page. So if I can just pass this particular page to LM and then ask, hey, can you generate the answer utilizing just this page? Then number of token will be less and the cost will be less. So in future video, I'll try to build I'll try to work on I'll try to demo a similar solution, and instead of similar somewhere, I'll just pass the closest chunk instead of passing the entire PDF, which will be more optimized and it will be very much cost effective.